Well, we're tearing off the shingles. These aren't shingles, these are slates. And you might be asking, why the heck are you tearing off slates? Well, the reason we are, there is so much flashing between the dormers and the three chimneys that is bad. We'd have to remove almost all the slate, or a good portion of it, to be able to replace the flashing. And frankly, the slates tend to be brittle, even though they're good Buckingham slate. And we're going to put synthetic slate on there. We should get about a good 50 years out of that. Past the point where I won't be here, but the metal nails in the old slates slowly rust off and the slates slide off the house. And you have to work on it every single year.